A solution is a type of homogeneous mixture that is made up of two or more substances. A homogeneous mixture is a type of mixture with a uniform composition. This means that the substances cannot be distinguished easily from one another. Some examples of solutions are salt water, rubbing alcohol, and sugar dissolved in water. When you look closely, upon mixing salt with water, you can't see the salt particles anymore, making this a homogeneous mixture. Let's make use of our saltwater example to talk about the two main parts of a solution. These are solute. This is the substance that makes up the minority of the solution, or this is the part that is dissolved. In our example of salt water, the solute is the salt. Solvent. This is the substance that makes up the majority of the solution. This is the part where the solute is dissolved. In our example of salt water, the solvent is water. When we think about solutions, the first thing we think about is a substance dissolved in water. This is natural, because after all, water is the universal solvent. However, solutions are not limited to the liquid phase. Solutions can exist in the gaseous phase. The air we breathe is a solution that is composed of a mixture of gases. Solutions are also present in the solid phase. Brass is a solid solution that is a mixture of copper and zinc. In the next section, we'll discuss what the different types of solutions are in different phases. Examples are brass, which is composed of zinc and copper, and steel, which is composed of carbon and iron. Gas solid, a gas solute in a solid solvent. An example is hydrogen, solute, dissolved in palladium, solvent. Liquid solutions, the solvent is liquid. Solid, liquid. A solid solute in a liquid solvent. Examples will be salt, solute, dissolved in water, solvent, and sugar, solute, dissolved in water, solvent. Liquid, liquid. A liquid solute in a liquid solvent. An example is 70% isopropyl alcohol, which is a mixture of alcohol and water. In this case, imagine 70 milliliters of isopropyl alcohol mixed with 30 milliliters of water. Since the alcohol makes up the majority of the solution, that makes it a solvent. Water makes up the minority of the solvent. It only takes up 30 milliliters out of 100 milliliters, therefore it is the solute. Gas liquid. A gas solute in a liquid solvent. An example is oxygen, which is naturally present in water. The solute is oxygen and the solvent is water. Another example is carbonated water, where the solute is carbon dioxide gas and the solvent is water. Gaseous solution. The solvent is gas. Gas, gas. A gas solute and a gas solvent. A great example is the air around us, which is mainly composed of nitrogen and oxygen. Other gases are also present, such as carbon dioxide, neon, and helium, but in very small amounts.